want to get you updated on the potential for some wintry weather in parts of the east later this week with cold air locked in over the northeast and a storm coming up from the southeast. You might think something would happen in that scenario. Let's go to the setup maps and show you what we know at this point. So here are the ingredients that we're talking about. Big area of cold air over the Midwest, the Northeast, and Canada, and lots of snowpack to keep that air refrigerated. That's going to be sliding down southwestward along the eastern slopes of the Appalachians thanks to strong high pressure over the Northeast. Meanwhile, a moisture-laden low-pressure system crossing Florida from the Gulf into the Atlantic Thursday into Friday to throw some moisture, potentially far enough northwest to interact with that cold air. Still some question marks as to whether that's actually going to happen, but there's at least the potential for a wintry mix of icy precipitation from western North Carolina and the Carolina Piedmont all the way up into southwestern and central portions of Virginia Thursday night and Friday morning. Here's what one model, the NAM model, North American Mesoscale, it's one of our shorter range models, says about this storm system. You see the precipitation amounts are not really all that heavy, and just some of it barely gets into that sub-freezing air. So this is one of those scenarios that's right on the fence where it could be mostly just rain, but there could be a little narrow zone of ice. Our official forecast calls for showers on Thursday. Then Thursday night, as the rain advances into the colder air near the ground, we may see some of that freezing rain in the purple areas you see on the map, and likewise into Friday, especially in the morning hours. Mainly freezing rain, maybe a little bit of sleet. The odds of snow seem pretty low at this point, although we can't rule it out entirely in the mountains of North Carolina. Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Piedmont Triad, that looks like the metro area most likely to see some ice. Even there, it's not a lock, but if it happens, it would be Thursday night, Friday morning, potentially affecting your Friday morning commute. I'm Nick Wiltgen, the Weather Channel.